We had Alex Rodriguez up here earlier today, and I shared with him the Penske philosophy on people, and that is, it's hard to get in, and it's harder to leave. And I know that you're one of your philosophies that drives you is that anybody can go to your home, anybody can go to your office, they can call you because you're going to call them, right? No PowerPoints, and details make or break you.
Well, when you think about people and PowerPoints, and when I think about it, everybody in your business is important. When you think about that and you take that into consideration when you talk to them, and the same thing with obviously your customers, it makes a huge difference, because what I want to do is let people know that we have an open book here. I want to hear about the complaints, don't you? I want to hear about them. And I like to go to the pre-meetings. Don't bring me to the final. If you made the decision, why the hell do you need me to show up and maybe change something? Let me be part of the process. And that's made a big difference as far as I'm concerned. And I think overall, this openness, this transparency, this flat organization, and again, I like, and I learned this, and someone from Reynolds & Reynolds is here today, by the way, who we feel very good about what they do for us. But I remember back, some of you remember the punch tapes? You punched your information in, sent the punch tape, hoping it got to Reynolds, and then sent your books back. I remember sitting there, going through page after page after page, trying to understand the accounts. And I think that dedication got me closer to the people in the office, and then in the shops, we wrote service, and in the body shop. And all these things, when you aggregate them together, forget we're up here today, many of us in the room today, we have to remember this is where it happens. That guy driving the race cars to Indianapolis next week in that big truck, millions of dollars worth of equipment and expertise, he's very important. Don't forget him. Sure, the guy drinking the milk and everything else has got to be there too, but it's all about this execution, certainly at the lowest level.
No big shots either. You call yourself a real owner, not a custodian, and trust your people.
Well, let's say the facts are the facts. We bought United Auto Group back in '99. It had a $125 million market cap. If you look at the New York Stock Exchange today, Penske Auto Group's over $10 billion. Think about that. Think about the business that we're in to have that opportunity. I got that opportunity because I had a partner, my dad, to start with, and guess what? Then I had Motors Holding. And think about today, we got a $2 billion credit line for our company. That's the opportunity we have in the automobile business, because we have partners, and the partners are the OEMs. And I heard people talk here today about brands. 100% right. We've focused in our business on premium luxury. If you look at us across our total business of over 400 locations, 4 continents and 9 countries, 71% is premium luxury, 21 volume foreign, and the rest would be roughly 9%. So, obviously, so important.
Yeah. How do you define excellence in operational efficiency? Because Penske's known for operational efficiency.
Well, it's attention to detail, certainly number one. We talked about integrity before, transparency. And what we try to do, and COVID gave me really as we see Zoom and all these other opportunities for technology, be able to run your business. I am out in the markets, and people talked about new acquisitions and going in talking to people. Absolutely, that's the right thing to do. But what I've tried to do is get into these businesses from the bottom up. And Jason, fill the funnel at the bottom. And obviously, get your management out the top, and that to me has been critical.